Why are you back at McDonald's?
What do you mean?
You're just over at McDonald's. You're not supposed to be over there.
What do you mean?
Hands out of your pockets for me. You were just over at McDonald's. You were trespassed from there over a week ago.
No.
Yeah.
I was not.
You were arrested from down there over a week ago.
I've never been arrested in my life.
You never have. How about some ID? Let's make today the first
how
day.
about you just kiss my ass?
Negative. That's
No.
no.
Why don't you get your fucking hands off me?
Why don't you just relax and give me your ID, my man?
I don't have an ID.
Okay, then just relax.
I've never been arrested over there.
Okay. I was out here on a call last week. They said you were the same guy that went to jail.
No.
Okay.
You're wrong.
Okay, you need to relax for me, my man.
No, you need to relax.
Because it's not going to go well for you.
Okay.
You're in Ocean 66 and you need another unit to the rear of the Latitude Apartments. What's your name?
What the fuck's your problem?
Well, you were trespassed from there.
I was never trespassed from there.
Latitude Apartments. Okay.
You're thinking of someone else.
Okay. Well, what I am doing is just going to ask you for your ID. Identify you, my man.
I don't have an ID.
Okay,
my wallet got stolen.
Then let me get your information and we'll get you out of here. If you're not the same guy. Fair enough? Is that fair?
Sure.
Okay. Where are you from, my man?
I'm from Branson, Missouri.
Nice.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay.
Yeah, I did flip that fat bitch off.
What was the problem over there?
Well, I sat there yesterday morning, and she fucking tried to kick me out. And the problem is I'm waiting on somebody to come pick me up. My wallet got stolen, my fucking phone got stolen.
Okay.
My whole backpack got stolen.
So you're camping out here, people took your shit, that happens all the time.
Exactly.
Okay.
And so they stole my shit, and so I sat in there yesterday morning when it's the coldest part of the morning, and she tried to kick me out of there. Of course,
Okay.
Yeah, there was another guy that was there. That's probably the one you're thinking. He looks just like my little brother.
Okay.
Yeah, no
Okay.
doubt.
What's your first name, sir?
Ronald.
Last name?
Akers, A-K-E-R-S.
Birthday? Is that your pockets for me? Take your hands out of your pockets for me.
Why?
Well,
There's nothing in my pockets but a goddamn piece of fucking...
take your hands out of your pockets for
Are
me.
you gonna fuck me up?
No, I just want you to take your hands out of your pockets.
My hands are cold.
Okay, take your hands out of your pockets, my man.
Or what are you gonna do? You gonna hit me with that?
Yep.
Are you?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Take your hands out of your pockets for
Go
me.
ahead. I'm not fucking around.
I'm not either.
Okay, so am I.
Just relax for me, my man.
No,
I'll get your information. We'll get you out of here.
Goddamn now.
Take your hands out of your pockets. Ronald, come on, man.
No, you come on.
Nope.
Fuck you.
No. You understand I'm the Reno
I'm not
police, right?
fucking, I don't give a fuck who you are. Put your goddamn stick away.
Take your hands
And
out
I'll
of your
take
pockets.
my hands out of my pockets.
Fair enough. I'll work with you, Ronald, but
Okay.
this isn't going to go well for you, my man.
There you go.
Ronald, what's your birthday? Okay. Social?
Yeah, don't try fucking pushing me around, dude.
I'm not trying to push
I
you
haven't
around,
done
Ronald.
anything wrong.
Okay. We're in Ocean 66, by the lake to the rear of the Latitude Apartments on the walking path. And he's just being very uncooperative.
Oh no, I'm cooperating.
Okay.
You're not. That's the thing.
Okay. Yeah, you can keep it close till I get somebody here. Okay. Well, Ronald, my man, I'm just doing my job, okay?
I understand that.
Okay.
I haven't done anything wrong.
Hey, you were trespassing, then you caused a disturbance, my man. And then I asked you a couple of times to take your hands out of your pockets several times and you don't do it.
What's that mean?
Well, that's obstructing and resisting when I'm investigating a crime.
Oh,
So it's
okay.
trespassing and obstructing and resisting.
So what was the crime?
Trespassing. She asked you to leave and
Because
you
I
refused to leave.
went to McDonald's to take a shit.
Yeah. She asked you to leave
And that
and you
fat
didn't leave.
bitch.
Yeah. So that's the problem.
Okay. Oh.
So
I was trespassing because I went to take a shit at McDonald's.
well, so it's like private property. They have the right to refuse service to anyone.
Yeah, but okay, sure.
You know what I mean?
Whatever.
You understand that, right?
It doesn't fucking matter, dude.
I know.
I own this whole goddamn place anyway.
What do you own? You on parole or probation, Ronald?
Okay, I'll see you later.
No, you're not going anywhere, man.
Hey,
Stop.
get you. Fuckers. Don't you ever fucking touch me again.
Stop. Ronald, seriously.
Don't fuck with me.
Stop.
You're gonna get
Step it
fucked
up,
up, dude. Don't fuck with me.
Dude, Ronald, I don't want to hurt you, man.
You better fucking put that goddamn stick away.
Lay on the ground, my man.
I'm not doing that.
Lay on the ground.
Oh no.
You're going to jail now. Lay on the ground.
Okay.
Lay on the ground. Ronald, stop resisting. Lay on the ground. Stop resisting.
Okay, don't fucking hit
Lay
me.
down.
I'm
Lay
not
down.
doing that.
Why not?
Because
Stop resisting.
you get...
Stop resisting. Stop.
Right now, if you go into Latitude Apartments, make your first right. The lake is right behind the apartments.
Hold on. Wait for one more, buddy.
Jesus Christ, you alright?
I'm sorry.
Roll over! Roll over! Put your arm behind your back! Put your arm behind your back! Come on.
Thank you. Sorry, buddy.
You alright, buddy?
Yeah.
Hey, just fucking relax, man. Expedite rims, Reno. Hey, just relax. Sit down, bud.
Dude.
Hey, just sit down.
See, he ejected my mag. I only had one round.
Hey, just sit down. Fuck.
See, man, I was blacking out. I couldn't. We got my stick when we got to the ground.
Just sit down, bud. Keep talking to me, alright? Where's Rumsey at? Reno, we need him.
Alright, he's been hit. Check him. Where are you? Are you hit? No. Right. Where are you hit?
And again, go in, take the 3 seconds.
You okay, man? You good?